guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get feedback on your Wix websites. Let's say you're designing your website, but it's not quite ready for launch and you want to get feedback from your friends, your family, or even maybe your clients. Instead of letting them go into your editor and potentially messing things up, and without even publishing so your site isn't live for everyone to see, what you can do to share your website is you can come up to Site and Get Feedback. This is going to give you a link that you can copy, and if a user goes to this link, whether that be your friends, family, or client, then they're going to have a preview mode with desktop and mobile, and they can even press add comments. They can move the comment around, and they can add a quick comment like looks nice or this needs work. And then once you post it, then they can edit or delete it. And they can also do the same thing on the mobile view. But let's say we're back in the editor and you want to view the feedback. What you can do is come over to Site, and we're going to see a little notification for Get Feedback. So if we click that again, we're going to see we have a new option here that says you have one new comment on the site. If you want to view the comments, you can press View Comments. It's going to open up a page very similar to our Get Feedback one. And we're going to see there is a blue dot here, which we can click on it. We can see the comment. We can either reply to it, or we can click Resolve once we have fixed the problem. Then in the top right, we can have Show Open Comments, or we can show Resolved Comments. Open comments are just comments that haven't been resolved, but if you want to review the ones that have been resolved, you can also go to that tab over there as well. And the cool thing is you can actually do this inside of Editor X as well. So if we go up to Site, we can also press Get Feedback. Now with this one, you can send it to specific people, or you can just copy a shareable link. And if we open up the link, it's going to open up something very similar to what we saw for the classic editor version. Except for this one, we can control the width of our page, and we can choose which breakpoint we want to do. And just like before, we can just add a quick comment. Looks nice. And we can move it anywhere on the page. So if we want to specifically talk about the logo, maybe it's too big or too small, you can add a comment over here. And just like before, if we come back over to our editor, go to Site and press Get Feedback, we're going to have a new notification that says we have a new comment on the site. So we can press View Comment. It's going to open up a very similar page to what we saw in the classic editor. And we'll be able to see the comment right here. But let's say we have comments over here on the right, but we're not on the right page or section. If we press Take Me There, it's going to take us right to the comment. And then of course we can just resolve it just like before. But that basically wraps it up for the video today, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.